How you can fix Maytag top load washer won't unlock. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, try pressing the pause or cancel button to stop the cycle. Wait a few seconds to see if the lid unlocks on its own. Now, check if the washer is still spinning or draining. The lid won't open until the washer stops completely. If it still won't unlock, unplug the washer from the wall. Wait for about 1 minute, then plug it back in and try again. Look if the child lock is turned on. If it is, press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. Sometimes the lid stays locked if the washer is too hot, so give it some time to cool down and try again later. You can also try resetting the washer by unplugging it for 10 minutes, then plug it back in and start a new cycle to see if the lid unlocks. If none of these steps work, it might be a problem with the lid lock. It's best to call a repair person or Maytag support for help. And that's it. That's how you can fix Maytag top load washer won't unlock.